What if I told you that 3 ingredients costing less than 80 rupees combined can handle every single cleaning challenge in your home? From kitchen grease to bathroom mold, from dirty floors to smelly drains, and in many cases perform better than the 15 different specialized products currently crowding your cleaning cabinet. What if simplifying your entire cleaning system to just 3 natural substances could save you thousands annually while improving your family's health? I lived this experiment for 30 days with 0 commercial cleaning products, and what happened genuinely transformed my perspective. Stay with me, because this changes everything. The moment I decided to simplify everything, I was standing in a supermarket cleaning aisle, feeling genuinely overwhelmed. Bathroom cleaner, kitchen degreaser, glass cleaner, floor cleaner, toilet cleaner, drain cleaner, fabric softener, stain remover, each product promising to be essential for its specific application. Each costing money I kept spending without questioning whether any of it was truly necessary. I calculated my monthly cleaning product spending while standing there in that aisle. The number shocked me. Hundreds of rupees monthly on products I'd never questioned, never evaluated, never considered replacing. I walked away without buying anything that day. Instead, I made a decision. I would spend 30 days cleaning my entire home using only 3 natural ingredients that I already understood and trusted. No commercial products, no specialized formulas, no expensive bottles promising professional results. Just 3 simple substances and a commitment to documenting honestly whether this was genuinely viable or whether I'd be crawling back to the cleaning aisle within a week, begging for my specialized products back. What happened over those 30 days was so far beyond what I expected that I've never returned to commercial cleaning products since. The 3 ingredients that replace everything: white vinegar, baking soda, dish soap. These 3 substances, used separately and in specific combinations for different applications, handled every cleaning challenge I encountered across 30 days. Not because they're magical or miraculous, because their individual chemistries are genuinely versatile and complement each other perfectly when understood properly. White vinegar provides acidity that dissolves mineral deposits, cuts through soap scum, kills certain bacteria, and leaves no residue on surfaces. Baking soda provides mild alkalinity, gentle abrasion, and remarkable odor neutralization. The kitchen, tested thoroughly countertops, received a spray of diluted white vinegar, followed by a wipe with a microfiber cloth. Results were identical to my previous commercial all-purpose spray, with 0 residue and no smell after evaporation. The stovetop, historically my most challenging cleaning surface, received baking soda paste mixed with a few drops of dish soap applied to greasy areas, left for 15 minutes, then wiped clean. Stubborn, baked-on grease that usually required heavy commercial degreaser and significant scrubbing came away with minimal effort after this treatment. The combination of baking soda's gentle abrasion and dish soap's degreasing chemistry addressed what vinegar alone couldn't handle on heavy kitchen grease. The bathroom, where I expected failure. The bathroom was where I genuinely expected natural ingredients to fall short. Commercial bathroom products exist because bathrooms present serious cleaning challenges. Soap scum, hard water stains, mold, bacteria. I was prepared for disappointment here. Instead, I was repeatedly impressed. Floors and beyond hardwood floors. Diluted white vinegar, just a 1/4 cup per gallon of water, mopped with minimal moisture. Floors looked clean and streak-free, without the residue that commercial floor cleaners often leave. Tile floors, same solution with a drop of dish soap added for any greasy kitchen floor areas. Windows, diluted vinegar and microfiber cloth produced streak-free results that genuinely outperformed my previous commercial glass cleaner. There you have it. 30 days cleaning an entire home with only white vinegar, baking soda, and dish soap. Genuinely viable, consistently effective, dramatically cheaper, and healthier for your family. If this experiment just convinced you to simplify your cleaning completely, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest, natural living experiments. Share with anyone spending too much on specialized cleaning products. Comment which cleaning task your most skeptical natural ingredients can handle. I'll see you next time. Until then, simplify radically, trust proven chemistry, and discover that 3 ingredients genuinely can do everything.